Do it with your stomach. Do it with your stomach.
Oh god. Oh, you think you're...
One more, final finale.